Today, I'd like to talk about why sleep plays such an important role in learning. Many students think that staying up late to study helps them remember more, but research shows the opposite. When we sleep, the brain doesn't simply rest. Instead, it actively organizes and strengthens new memories. During sleep, especially deep sleep, the brain reviews information learned during the day and decides what is important to keep. This process helps move information from short-term memory into long-term memory. Without enough sleep, this transfer is much less effective. Studies have shown that students who sleep well after studying perform better on tests than students who stay awake longer. Interestingly, this is true even if the students who stayed up studied more hours. In other words, sleep is not a waste of time. It is a critical part of the learning process. So if you want to learn more efficiently, it's not just about how long you study, but also about how well you sleep afterward.